now we going to discuss about chapter 6 squares and square root chapter. Exercise 6.4 remaining questions we are going to discuss. Sixth question, up to 5 questions last class we completed. Sixth question. In sixth question they tells that find the length of the find the length of the side of a square whose area is given as 441 meter square. In this way they given sixth question. Sixth question they says that find the length of the side of a square whose full area of that square were given that how much 441. How to find out the length of the side of a square? So we know that here area of a square, what they given there, area is given. That's why I started with area. Area of a square. What is the formula for finding area of a square? Side into side. Side into side means we can take it as an alphabet x into x or x square. So x into x is that value is given as 440. X into x become how much? X square is equal to 441. We want length of the one side. Therefore, length of the one side is equal to length of the one side of a square is equal to one side of a square. How to find out length of the side? Represent as an alphabet x value. How to find out? Take square root of 441. Length of the square have for how many sides? 4 sides. We consider each side an alphabet as x. Then find out this length of the side of a area is given there. The length of the one side of a square. How to find out x value? Take square root of 400. For how to find out a long division method or prime factorization method you can apply here. Then here how many long division method I going to apply? How many digits are there? 3 digits are there. 3 is odd or a even number, odd number. That's why first single digit, then afterwards a double digit keep and bar keeping that. Then checking a first digit. 4 is a perfect number or a not? Yes, perfect square. Only 2 2s are 4 is coming. The subtraction doing the how much? 0. The next number bring down, which is our next number 41 is our next number. That one bring down. Again 2 plus 2 comes to be how much? Next quotient and divisor were adding. Divisor and quotient are adding time. 2 plus 2 comes to be 4. Space keeper. Right. Again 4 table 4 when it is 4 into 1 become how much? 4 into 1 become 4. That's why 4 is going to become 1 and same one use it to multiply. What is the answer? We get 41. That's why we can mark it as 4 is joined with 1. Same one use it to multiplying. Product to become how much? 41. Then subtraction doing the how much is the answer? Result remainder become 0. So the side of one square become how much? X value become how much? That is equal to how much is the quotient there? 21 centimeter. So meter is the 21. Here unit is meter. Area represent as in meter square. That's why side of that square represent as 21 meter is the side of the square. I hope you can understand how to find out a long division method or a prime factorization. Any method you can apply here. So here long division method part. That's why I continue with the long division method and finding time one side of a square become 21 meter is the answer. Next go through 7th question. Seventh question, here Pythagoras theorem. Already we learned Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that longest side square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. So seventh question. AB side equals 6 centimeter, BC side equal 8 centimeter. Find AC side. They given here one right angle triangle. That's why we draw a right angle triangle. Mark B as a 90 degree. Here A and C marking. So B represent one in right angle triangle. One angle represent as a 90 degree, and here they mentioned B as a 90 degree. So A and C mark in this side. Which are the side value given? AB side. AB here, where? Here. That value they given us how much? 6 centimeter. BC side value how much? 8 centimeter. And AC side value they ask to find out AC side value. How to find out? Pythagoras theorem applying. Pythagoras theorem statement what? Long, which is in with respect to this right angle triangle, which is the longest side? AC side is the longest side, and AB is the altitude side, and down part represent as a base. So theorem says the longest side, that is that side represent as AC alphabet, longest side square. So AC square equal altitude square plus base square. Which is our altitude square? Height represent as altitude AB side. So AB altitude square plus base. Base is which alphabet? BC. So BC square. Then AC value, that side value we don't know. Our aim is to find that side value. AB value how much they given? 6. So AB square is there. That's why 6 square we mark. BC side value is how much? 8. That means BC square is there. That's why 8 square. Calculation to AC square equal 6 square means 6 into 6. A number is multiplied. 6 are how much? 36. Plus 8 square means 8 is multiplied. That means 8 into 8 to become how much? 64. 36 plus 64 become how much? Adding time 100. AC square value represent as 100. AC, we want AC side value. AC side, how to find out? Take square root of 100. Which same number multiply time getting answer as 100, or prime long division method or a prime factorization method. Any method you can apply and find out the square root. 0 is an even number. That's why prime number 2 or 5 you can use as that. 2 using means 50 is getting the again prime number 2 using here 2 table 50 25 times. Again 2 not possible. Prime number 5 only possible. 5 table 25 5 times. Again 5 use and dividing time divide and divide. 5 lines we get as a 1. So factors are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Square root means pairing. 2 numbers take and a pair. First pair 1 2 take outside. Second pair 1 5 take outside. So AC side value become how much? 10 centimeter is the AC side value. Here AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter. AC side represent as 10 centimeter. In this way we can calculate. I hope you can understand the meaning of this question. Then next we go through same order. The second question. Question only changing. Here also one right angle triangle is there. Values are given that here AC side is given as 13 centimeter, BC side given as 5 centimeter, find a AB side in this way given. Find AB side. How to find out? There also same process and a right angle triangle also same, only just values they are changed. And the side also AC side, longest side value they given us 13 centimeter. BC side, this one BC side given us 5 centimeter, and AB side altitude they ask to find out. How to find out? Just values. Our statement says that longest side, which is a log with respect to B, that is 90 degrees, opposite side represent as the longest side, that is AC. So longest side square value is equal to sum of these two sides, these two sides square and adding time getting value, both value are longest side square value and sum of the square of these two sides value are equal. That way only Pythagoras theorem saying that. That's why value substitute. AC value is how much? 13. So 13 square equal AB value we don't know. We want to find out AB square. BC side is 5, but BC square is there. So 5 square. 30 square means 13 is multiplied. It's 13 into 13 become how much? 169 equal AB square plus 5 square means 5 into 5 become how much? 25. Subtraction to 169 plus 25, send it to left side, I to change it to symbol, I have changed it to minus. They already we learned linear equations chapter. AB square is on the that variable, keep on the right side only. 169 minus 25 comes to be how much? 169 minus 25 comes to be 144. So 144 is equal to AB square value. We want AB side only. AB not square. Therefore, AB value is equal to take square root of 144. Which is same number multiplied time 144 coming at 12 into 12 become 144. Or prime factorization do and find out. Anyway you can do. Prime factorization method means here unit to place is 4. That's why it is an even number. Prime number 2 use it to divide. 2 table 14 7 times. 2 table 4 2 times. Again divided with 2. 2 table 7, not the 3 times 6 is the remainder. 7 and 6 subtraction 2 times 1 as a remainder. 1 and 2 June 12. 2 table 12 6 times. Again that is 6 is an even number. Continue with 2. 2 table 3, note that 2 into 1 become 2. 3 and 2 subtraction 2 into 1 as remainder. 1 and 6 join into 16. 2 table 16 8 times. Again continue with y because 18 is an even number. Then continue with 2. Answer dividing time, answer become 3. 9 again not possible with 2. Next prime, which is the next prime number 3. 3 table 3 again 3 is a prime number. 3 use it to divide. So what are the factors here getting 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 pair in first pair, second pair, third pair. So each pair one number take outside and multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are how much? 12 is the answer. 12 centimeter is the answer. So AB side become a 12 centimeter. I hope you can understand how to solve this sum. Then one more question. One more question they says that here one garden in the garden. In a garden, 1,000 plants are there. The gardener wants to plant the plants in a same row and the same column wise. He wants to plant the plants. So here one gardener hand, how many plants are there? 1,000 plants are there. That gardener wants to plant this plants in a same row wise and a same column wise. Number of row and a number of columns same orderly. He want to plant the plants. Then question asking how much more plant required for him to plant it. Only in his his hand 1,000 only. How much extra plants he want to record to in that or in which order, same row and same column wise he can able to planting the plants. That is the anyhow total number of plants is how much only now present is hand 1,000. So extra how much. So how to identify that question? Last class we learned that here long division method apply, which how much number he added case we want to identify 1,000. How many digits it has? 4 digit. That's why 4 is an even. So two numbers take and pair. First 10 is not a perfect square. Nearest perfect square is 3. Here also 3. Here 3 table. 3 threes are how much they are getting? 9. Subtraction doing how much? 1. Next place number bring down. Then here divisor make 3 plus 3 comes to be 6. Space 6 table 10 not there. 6 into 1 become here 6 only coming. That's why our divisor 6 is joined with 1. Same one used to multiplying. So answer becomes 6. So one right joined one right on the divisor place and multiplied one right on the quotient place. How much getting the 61? Then subtraction doing 0 minus 1 not possible. Borrow from next place. Here 1 change to 0, 9. Here 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 6 comes to be how much remainder become 39 is the remainder. So what we here our 1,000 is lies between which number? We can say that it lies between 1,000 is lies between 31 square and 32 square. So here we can write 31 square. 1,000 is greater than 31 square but less than the 32 square. Therefore the least number we want, least required least number. How to find out? The bigger number 32 square is subtracted with 1,000. How much more he wanted? That will getting the 32 square means 32 is multiplied 2 times. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again you need to place strike. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Adding time 4 12 1,024 is getting the 1,024 minus 1,000. So how much difference it have? 24. That means he want to purchase extra 24 plants. Then he can able to plant the garden in which order? Same number of row and same number of column wise he can plant at the plants. So 24. That's why we can say to make a perfect square, which number you want to multiply to make a perfect square. Our number is 1,000 is added with 24. So we get which answer? 1,024. Then square root of 1,024 for represent as how much? 32 is the answer. Therefore square root of 1,024 equal 32. So how much more plants he required? 24 plants more required for planting the plants. Then only he can able to clearly same number of rows and same number of columns. I hope you can understand this one. Also chapter completed. Thank you.